Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Anshul Goel. I'm thrilled to share some wonderful news with you today. I've joined MGS MASH Super Specialty Hospital as a Director of Orthopedics and Sports Injuries. My expertise lies in arthroscopy, joint replacements, trauma management, and spine surgeries. But for me, orthopedics has always been about more than just bones and joints. It's about restoring movement, rebuilding confidence, and helping people get their back to their activities they love. Over the years, I have the privilege of treating patients across all age groups, and what drives me every single day is seeing someone walk out stronger, more confident, and pain-free. Our trusted MGS hospital in Punjabi Bagh is now MGS MASH Super Specialty Hospital. With this transformation, we are setting new benchmarks in orthopedic and sports medicine, offering advanced keyhole surgeries that ensure minimal discomfort, quicker recovery times, and better outcomes for patients. At MGS MASH, we are committed to staying at the forefront of medical advancements so that the people of West Delhi and beyond receive nothing but the best. And when it comes to trauma and emergencies, our dedicated team is always ready because in critical moments, timely orthopedic intervention can save mobility and sometimes even lives. With round-the-clock care and advanced infrastructure, we make sure patients receive immediate and expert attention when they need it the most. My aim as a surgeon is not only to treat you with surgery, but to guide you on a path to recovery with healthy lifestyle changes so that your healing is complete, lasting, and it empowers you to live life to the fullest. My promise to you is simple. When you come to us, it won't be just a case or an x-ray. We'll sit together, we'll talk, we'll understand your problem, and we will find the best way forward together. Because for us, the journey back to strength and mobility is as important as the treatment itself. Stay strong, stay moving. Thank you.